This treatment will remove your blackheads, whiteheads, and open pores in just 6 minutes.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
So guys, to make our mask, we're gonna need some yogurt. I use natural yogurt or Greek yogurt, and I use full fat yogurt. This is really going to add moisture and hydration into our skin. We don't want dry skin because that will cause it to look really rough, and it will cause the piling of like dead skin cells, which causes worse blackheads and whiteheads. So we're gonna also add a little bit of honey. You can add about half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon of honey over here. Honey is great because it is also antibacterial. It is honestly one of my favorite natural products to use and also eat. So nutmeg and cinnamon are the key ingredients over here. Cinnamon is antibacterial, so if you do have any pores which are clogged that need to be unclogged, if there is any bacteria in there, it will really get rid of that and prevent you from getting pimples. The other thing we need is nutmeg. So I actually grind my own nutmeg and cinnamon powder, and the nutmeg really is amazing. I've never used it in my remedies on this channel before, and seriously, since I have been using it, it has really cleared out my skin. So nutmeg has anti-inflammatory properties, and what it can do is it can balance out oily and dry skin. So all skin types can actually use this facial. The other thing it does is it removes your like clogged pores, and it opens them, and it really removes blackheads. So after applying this mask on your face for just about 6 minutes, what you want to do is get either a tiny bit of water on your palm or a little bit of rose water, and you want to start rubbing your skin. So this might feel a bit tingly because of the cinnamon in there, but it will definitely feel really gritty because nutmeg, you know, it's a bit coarse. Don't do it too hard, like to damage your skin. Just do it really gently. And seriously guys, after I do this, my face feels squeaky clean. I had so much blackheads on my nose, which have seriously cleared up. Even my cheeks area, that was just really clogged and congested. And this facial has done wonders for my skin, so I want you guys to definitely try it at home. I hope you remove your blackheads and whiteheads and also close those nasty open pores. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, or if this remedy helps you, I would really appreciate it if you give my video a thumbs up, comment down below, share my video, and also hit the subscribe button because I post every single week. And on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!